In our example, let's just place it here. That's how easy it is to create a video frame inside of Photoshop. So ganyan siya kadali. Let's add more. For example, let's just drag the following. If I press on the enter button or return, this will commit and then move on to the next image that I'm going to import. I'm just pressing enter or return. For example, if I want to move this icon, and then if you want to extend this, you can just drag the clip, and then you can just reposition all of these layers on framing that you want. For example, let's say if I drag this, you can easily create a sequence. Each photo is 5 seconds long. You can check how much real time or frame rate. You can also see the scratch information or scratch sizes in Photoshop when you're doing video editing.